This week on Pembo and Pembo. I'm having the best time. I quite like trains. Trains are massive. Trains are old. Trains are cool. I like trains. I just can't get over how big these trains are. So we are at Railway Museum in York today to have a look around. Ooh. I also forgot to say, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us.
One person. Off you go, Colin. Oh, Colin,
there's no access.
Colin. Sorry, look, when there's a sign like this, we're not allowed to go past. My life flashed before my eyes.
Colin just ran onto the train.
Oh, should we like these?
It's cool, isn't it?
It's a tiny bath. That's only a Colin-sized bath. You wouldn't get a bath on a train anymore. Bedroom on the train. Can you imagine? These days, we're like crammed in like cattle on the Northern Line.
Northern Line. Northern Rail aren't like this. This is ridiculous. It's got a three-piece. Good lessons to be learnt here about taking turns, aren't there, Colin?
Queuing. It's very British.
It's very British. Looking at trains feels very British as well.
It is. I'm very windswept today.
Do you like it? Is this fun?
What?
Yeah, having a good time. What are we doing?
We're in Train Museum.
Train Museum.
You cutie. Colin, this is a post train.
Oh, post train. That's cool. What? Why? Why do we call them pigeonholes?
Because pigeons live in them, in
There we go.
towers, I presume. But they're not for pigeons, it's for male, so male holes.
Male holes. Doesn't sound
that's
right somehow. This is closer to what we're used to. Much more familiar.
This is frosted glass, so I guess there's a bathroom in there.
Big window though still. I don't think there's windows in current
I
ones.
like these the trains that have corridors and then compartments. Very Harry Potter.
Very Harry Potter, isn't it? I'll buy it all. Well, what does he say? I'll take the lot.
Take the lot.
This is just like the whole bit. There's the other bit where they're all stood around in a big circle, isn't it? So this is like a tiny portion of the whole thing. Quite good. Quite enjoying it. Extensive knowledge of how a steam-powered engine works.
If my granddad were here, we'd get the full education.
Colin's
Even my
going, what's
uncle,
this?
even
What's this?
Uncle Mark's probably watching. Uncle Mark probably knows a lot more about this than I do. Very useful person to have in a train museum.
You want to see the green one? I don't know how useful it actually is. I like trains. Right, we've done this train yard bit. We're going over to... What's the other stuff? It's that massive thing, isn't it? Is it a mallard?
Let's have a smile. Comes with a scream. That's how I feel inside.
Right, we're about to go in the Great Hall. Let's see what's so great about it. Oh, it's pretty great, to be fair. This bit's way cooler than the other bit.
Is it?
I think so. This is way better.
Is cool ever a word you can use?
Trains are cool. Trains are cool, and I will hear nothing said about them bad. Trains are massive.
This is really
Bigger than you are.
This is-
Bullet train's cool. Like a bullet train. Japanese. Engineering at its finest. Colin, just wait here.
Yeah. Where is it?
Is it like one way?
I don't know if it's one. That's right.
Oh, what's this? Like a little cabin. Crew. This is a bullet train. It's very 1980s. It smells used.
Yeah. You ready for your journey?
Yeah, even non-stop trains, that's a
Oh, it stopped at the platform.
Has it stopped? See it over there?
There is a nun and a TARDIS on the platform in Askham.
Oh, right, that's all.
Let's go here.
Push between people.
that's the miniature railway done. These, I just can't get over how big these trains are. They're flipping huge. They make the gargantuan size of my sister look small, these trains. She's only little. But it is her birthday, that's why we're here. So, extra bullying. Time for a break. You have a sausage.
What?
You've not dipped it.
We've had a good walk round. First half of this big bit's done. Look how huge it is. I don't know if you can tell. It's massive.
I've not read a single sign today. You're proud? I couldn't tell you one thing about any of these trains.
Claire's always the person that's like, I've read every sign, my knowledge is vastly improved, and can you tell me anything?
I like history, not keen on trains.
I'm more likely to read a train one. This is amazing. I'm having the best time. Should we go under this train, Colin, and see what happens? You ready?
Tell me 3 times.
Under the train. Under the train. So we can check. This is where they park trains, so they can fix their wheels and the pipes underneath. Look at all this metal underneath.
It is metal underneath.
Metal underneath.
What's this?
Very cool. Wow. Look at the size of these wheels. Very dirty, isn't it?
Very dirty. What's that dirty?
I don't know why it's dirty. Right, that's basically all of them, bud. Here we go and look at something else. Look at this one. Aerolite from 1869. Trains are old. You forget how old trains are. Another break, another snack. There's one for Daddy. Unbelievable. Oh, thank you. So sweet. I'd recommend it here. Fun and free. There's Claire. Doesn't she look studious with those glasses? She can't hear me, but you can hear me. I like to cause trouble. So that was the Railway Museum. Had a blast. Toot toot. And now we're going to wander into York and see what's what.
That was gorgeous.
I love it when there's a good mustard.
I didn't give him some money for free.
Who has money? It's 2022. Who's that up there? It's a Colin. Up on Daddy's shoulders. We're at the river now, aren't we? How lovely. There's Mummy.
Look, a sign.
What was his head?
It was a noise.
What are your views on York?
It's pretty.
It's
I
nice,
like it.
isn't it?
It's not really a city, is it? I know
Is it
it's a
not?
city, but
It's the least
it doesn't
city
feel like a city.
ever,
It
isn't
feels
it?
like a town, so I like it.
It's nice.
I don't like modern cities that much. I don't mind like a little city break, but this is better.
Yeah.
Quaint is better.
What are your views on the Railway Museum?
I'm glad it entertained Colin, and I'm glad that I'm now outside again.
It's free, so it's good. But
If you don't like trains,
if you don't like trains, I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I quite like trains. And now we're with these. Are they geese?
It's a Canada goose.
Having a walk in a park. Colin is asleep. I'll show you now. Proof.
Wish I was asleep.
I wish I was asleep.
My eyes are so tired. Got that fresh air tired.
Oh, what does this say? What goes in also comes out.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of York. I think it's pretty.
Rah!
We always end up on a swing.
Rah! 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 Job.
We must be nearly done. Must be.
1, 2, 3.
Right, last go and then we have to go, okay?
Ah, the spoiler of fun.
Even silly. Even silly. 1, 2, 3.
It's time for the car. Definitely time for the car. That was such a long day. I don't know if that's come across to you guys, but oh my goodness. Oh, but
We arrived here at 9.
it's now 4:15. I've done like 20,000 steps, I think, now, all told.
I've closed my rings twice.
But yeah, now he's jumping in the back. Colin, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Good job. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. We just did the close up and she's it's a real fan.
It's like the third time I've hit myself getting in the car. I think I'm really tired.
Oh, right. Just a short 1.5 hour drive home.